Hey friends, it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would share with you the entire Hello Bluebird new release. This is for winter and holiday 2021, releasing in October. And if you're watching this video the day that it goes live, the release is this evening at 7 p.m. Mountain Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where I am. So make sure that you are checking that out tonight. But I wanted to share all of these products with you so that you can make your shopping list. All of them have been revealed on the blog, which, by the way, if you comment on each post, you have a chance to win a $50 gift certificate. So if you haven't done that yet, get on over there and do that. But since all the products have been revealed, I thought I would go ahead and share them with you as well, so you can see them up close and in person. I'm going to set them off to the side and go through everything one by one. So the first set that I am super excited about is this one here. This one is called Deck the Tree. It is a companion set to the previous released Tree Neighbors. So this is the older set that was released in September, and now we've got some holiday critters to add to that. It also goes really well with the high-rise tree scene, which was released in September. So you've got really great options to play with this one. So many fun new little critters. It's the same animals that are in the other one, but obviously different poses, and they've all got little scarves on, and they've got some fun holiday decorations. I did already make one card using this stamp set, so that is this one right here. I did not film a video for this one because I made it over the course of a couple evenings when I first got my products, but if you are interested in a video on this card, let me know and I will recreate it for a video. But yeah, I thought it would be really fun to do these little red squirrels coming to visit the little bunny, since red squirrels are my favorite animal. So that is that one. The next set is called Merry Little Christmas, and it is a sentiment set that has a lot of great variety of different style fonts and different sentiments there. There's also a little vintage reindeer and some little leaf and berry clusters that you can add to your scene, and some little holly leaves there as well. Really, really fun. I love that some of these sentiments are so super small, so you can fit them in tiny little places. And so if you're like filling up a scene and you just have a little place for a sentiment, this is going to be a great set for you. And it does come with matching dies, so there are those if you're interested, for that little deer and all of those accessory images. And then if you're into bigger sentiments, there is this one here from Big Christmas Greetings, and you've got the 4 large sentiments and then some scripty font as well, plus all of these great stylized holiday trees, which are so fun. So really, really great if you're looking for not so much of a scene card, but something that has a nice bold sentiment and just a few images, or even just one image to set that off. This would be a great option, and it also has matching dies, so that's super exciting. We have one fall set, so if you are still making your fall cards, you may want to snag this one. This is Autumn Palette, and it's got these 2 adorable little critters, a fox and a squirrel, that are painting all of the leaves in their fall colors. Got some great size leaves, some really beautiful acorns, a branch, some paint tubes and a paintbrush, and some really beautiful scripty sentiments. So there is that one, and there are the matching dies for that as well. And then we have one that I'm super excited about. I think this one is so fun for the holidays. This is City Sidewalks, and it's got that great taxi cab, which is so much fun. And then you've got all of these little critters, street light, gifts, a wreath, a little shopping bag, a bow. Really, really fun. I love this little squirrel holding her stack of gifts. And I do have a card using this one, That is right here, and I will have a video for this one really soon, so stay tuned for that. But this is using a whole bunch of new products from this release, and I thought it was really fun having these little critters piled up in their taxi cab with their huge stack of gifts, which is kind of making the car tilt a little bit on those snowy roads. So definitely stay tuned for that video. And then next up we have Winter Skate, which is really, really cute. It's another tall set with tons of different critters, and they're all decked out in their snowy getup with their sweaters and their scarves. And I'm going to have a card with this one soon. I'm going to be filming this one today as soon as I finish this video. So really, really fun stamp set, and there's a die that's going to go great with this, which I'll get to later on. Of course, there are matching dies as well. Next up, we have a really big set, which I really adore. This one is called Sweet Christmas. It's got this great gingerbread house and so many cute gingerbread boys and girls and tons of little candies and accessories and really fun sentiments. We've got some big ones and some smaller ones. I love this set so much, and I did make one card with it already, and that is this one here, which I will have a video for as well. This one is also using our new snow globe builder, which I'll get to in a little bit. So I've got this little snow globe scene that is a gingerbread wonderland. So I can't wait to make more cards with this one. I have colored up the gingerbread house, but I haven't had a chance to use it on a card. But there's an idea of what that looks like. I'm obviously going to add some stickles to the edges of that to make it nice and sparkly, so it really looks like snow. But yeah, that's what that one looks like colored up, in case you were curious. I have repackaged all the dies because like I've said in my last preview video that the dies don't come in the original packaging, but the stamp sets do. So I went ahead and left them in there to show you guys what they look like as they'll come to you. But I've repackaged my dies in the stamp pocket and get everything all labeled up for me. So when I'm done with this, I can switch everything over. And I got one more stamp set to show you guys, and then we'll get to the dies. This one I'm so excited about as well, but I haven't had a chance to color it, but I cannot wait. This one is called Gnome for the Holidays. I absolutely love this set so, so much. It's got this wonderful mushroom house here, and then all of these adorable little gnomes, and there's a snowman. I love this little bag of gifts with the little teddy bear poking out, and there's a little bunny toy as well. And then there's a little scene that you can put on the side of the mushroom house. Super fun sentiments. I just am so excited to play with this one. I can't wait. So that will definitely be a video coming soon. And then there are the matching dies. So then we have a bunch more dies. We have a couple more fall ones. This one is called Autumn Leaves, and it's similar to the Autumn Palette dies, but they are a smaller scale. So you could add these to your scene or use them on their own, or even use them in conjunction with the Grateful frame. So this one is a big frame with a nice branch coming down with the leaves and the acorns. So these would be great to even use together, I think. I think that would make it really fun. And you also get the grateful sentiment that is really nice and delicate there. So yeah, great for your fall / Thanksgiving cards. Next up, we have more nesting dies to go along with the previous release. We have the nesting circles, and I mean, I didn't count how many were in here, but there are a ton. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So there's 20 dies there. So you get a whole host of different ones You could use these for so many different things. You can even use the tiny one for like snowballs or snowflakes. Really, really fun. I'm excited to have those. And then we also have the nesting ovals, which are very similar. We just have the oval shape and so many different varieties, so you can do all of your different mats and things. And then we also have the nesting half circle, which I used on this card here. That's the half circle. That's the largest one. And I just turned it on its side for something different. And then there's also the Star Bright dies. So this is one die set. And those are also basically like a nesting star shape, which is really cool to have. There is a Slimline Hill and Dale. So this is very similar to the previous released Hill and Dale, but this is just in the Slimline version. So you have the nice long cuts for those cards. And then we have the Snow Globe Builder, which I showed you the card that I made using this one. So there's lots of different dies in this set for the different layers, and you can certainly add even more than I did. So you have the frame here, you have the thin frame, which goes, that's what I did with the pink here. You have the piece down in front, that little wood piece, and then here is what I put my sentiment in. So you can, there's one of those tiny little sentiments from Merry Little Christmas. And then you've got the snow drifts, and you even have like a background with stars and snowfall if you want to use that as well. Really fun, creative die. We have the big snowflake, which I also used on this card here. I put it back to kind of fill in the space in the back there, so I didn't have like an empty corner. And then you also have the little village. So that's really fun. That would be great in the snow globe or all kinds of different things. We have the Slimline Skating Pond, which I think is super fun and would go really well with the this set here, the Winter Skate. I think that would be great together. I'm actually going to use them together on my video coming up in just, well, I'll be filming it in a few minutes. It won't come out for a little bit longer. And then we have two new word dies. We have the Merriest Christmas Word, which is this one down here, and Sending Cheer Word, which is this one here. And I used this one also on this card here. I just only used the word cheer, and then I took the word Christmas and selectively stamped that from the City Sidewalks stamp set. So it's really, really fun. You can use them obviously together as intended, but I think it's also fun to kind of break them up. You could use just sending and then put the word hugs. You could use the word holiday and put like a happy. There's lots and lots of options with these word dies. And then our final set is this one here. It's a Charlie Large Alpha. So this one is a really nice big alpha set, and it also has a border that it cuts out, so you can do two-tone letters, just like with the Nightly LC Large Alpha that was released in September. That one also had a border, but it was a different font. I don't know if I have that one out or if I put it away already. I do have it. Okay, so similar to the Nightly LC Large Alpha that was released last month, in the fact that it has that border, which is really cool, but it's obviously a very different font. So really fun to have more varieties with those alphas. Those are always great too to make your own custom sentiments. So that is the entire Hello Bluebird new release for October 2021. Go ahead and make your shopping lists and check them twice and get ready to go shopping tonight at 7 p.m. Mountain Time or 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So very excited to see what you guys think of this release. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your favorite stamp set is and what you're excited to see me use on my channel. And maybe I can, you know, make a new card for you guys. I've got a few ideas in mind for some more cards, but I'd love to hear from you what you'd like me to use. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you are as excited about this release as I am, and I'll talk to you real soon. All right, bye-bye.